Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my Benzozi TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks.
Tibos.
Yeah.
I'm a friends with Tekaya.
Yeah.
Angikale kanje.
Ganja.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Mawucamanga ukuthi uzoncengwa la eSlaughterhouse.
Yeah.
Uyoncengwa unyoko. Uyoncengwa unyoko Sundowns. Le league sizoyi-challenge and sizoyithola.
Yeah.
Le league sizoyi-challenge.
Yeah.
And sizoyithola.
Yeah.
Okokuqala nje Tibos. Kunenkulumo engathi mangiyisendi Orlando. Ngokuhlukumezeka ngumlandeli webhola ngumlandeli weOrlando Pirates Football Club.
Sure.
Ukuthi qhamuke soku-announcewa u-30 minutes ukuthi ama-ticket nawo ayavela. After that now ama-ticket soku-sold out. Bangasho manga was not a liar.
Yes, yeah.
Kangikhuluma as a reality story.
Yes, yeah.
Abalandeli be-Sundowns bangithathileke ngatrenda kuma-social network wabo okokuthi mina mangithi sizoza full forced la singenawo amathikiti ngikhosta i-violence ukuthi abalandeli beze ngenkani angiboshwe i-warrant arrest bese ikhishiwe ukuthi angiboshwe guess what I want to prove amaphoyisa ukuthi lento bengiyikhuluma ebengiyisho iqiniso ngathi hayi izanami siza la mina ngizoya ngiyazi ba ngizowathola amathikiti njenginalo guess what iSundowns beyithengele abalandeli bawo amathikiti ngenhlanhla abalandeli bawo ngoba mawufuna ithikiti imali basithengisela amathikiti bona bethengelwe basithengisela amathikiti. That's why ubona sikwazile ukungena la Loftus ngokuthi ke sincedwe umsamaria olungileyo wabalandeli bema-Sundowns. Kabiyelwe ama-Sundowns siyabonga ukuthi nisithengisela amathikiti sabalandeli bePirates ukuthi sifike sizowitnessa sidlale iplayer number 12.
Yes.
And ubonile uyibonile iplayer number 12 eOrlando Pirates Football Club. Ishaya ingoma non-stop. Yeah. Okungethusile ke yona Tibos. Mangena kancane ebholeni.
Khuluma che.
Mfowethu I was not aware ngingangalala. Uyabona ke ngithi mangiphupha something engibona ukuthi izongiphazamisa mangiya groundini. Ngiqale ngathanda ukuyishare nabantu because sometimes amanye amaphupho amabayiqiniso. Ngithe ngiza la ngabe sengazi ukuthi iPirates kuzoba nzima ukuthi win. Ngibe sengazi ukuthi khona okuzokwenzeka. Ngabe ngizibuza ukuthi hayibo kuba ngathi le game the way kumele iPirates iye iprepare ngakhona i-absent kaMkwena they give iOrlando Pirates kwahethi ukuthi mawungayiplana kahle le game uzoyiwina. Ngithema ngibona ingane ezincane kuyizona ezikwi-starting lineup. Ngabona okay, let me wait and see ukuthi yini engizoyibona nako bengithi ngizobabona ngingababoni bengithi ngizombona uTalent Mbatha as be partner benomkwena kwi-national team ukuthi today absent of kumkwena kuzobe kuyena ozobe eShayina ngithi ngizombona uMaster Chef umbuli kanti ukhosha uzongiprova wrong aqhamuke nesakhe i-starting lineup kodwa kwale kancane lezi ngane bezifakile zidestroyeke kwale kancane uyabona lela goal ebenze i-mistake ku-midfield labuya fast la uba i-goal in 20 minutes licishe layamosha zonke izinto lela goal licishe lamosha zonke izinto ngoba u-midfield we-Sundowns bozokwenza i-guesswork namhlanje i-absent kaMkwena bengekho ukuthi kumele bakuthiwa umqeqeshi wethu ne-management yethu bayiridile le game benza sure ukuthi le game akusiyona igame yokuthi sithole i-draw kwi-Sundowns igame yokuthi siwine because of absent of kaMkwena lana sikhuluma nge-number 6 we-national team o-strong always ukuthi i-absent yakhe bekumele sibe ne-advantage ngizophuma ke lapho mabhaka nabe ngithi ake ngithi nje ukusika kwelijikayo ya ukuthi yini legcine ibhayisise iPirates namhlanje ukuthi ngayiwini igame.
So uphuphe iPirates.
Mfowethu lezangane ububonile midfield masiqedwe kwenza mistake. Wabonile ama mistake azwenza into abengakanani. Bawenza ama mistake until abalandeli bePirates baze bayeka ukuba loyal bagcina sebephethula izandla. Lapha ngaphesheya ngibhekile. Bagcina sebethi change. Kodwa ngoba uNkulunkulu uhlezi emkhulu all the time. God is always great all the time no matter what. uNkulunkulu wabuyela same that player ebenze mistake. Ukuthi let me give you shine. Wa equalizer with unbelievable goal. Ofusha ubenga equalizanga yini bezokwenzeka. Abalandeli mase bephendula izandla benga icareer lomfana benga kulimale. Samoa kumele serious ke kuma tough game. Kama young players. Ama young players win ama game ubese wa adjust, enjoy game because masiza masithi sifuna betway. Mina sazi bese war. Sometimes isalahlile. Dopa ngoba isalahlile ngoba Sundowns once yavuka la team ikhohlakela iyapanishana.
Dangerous.
Iyapanishana le team hayi kancane.
Dangerous.
Yabo. Kodwa ke anyway ake ngithi Sithibozi. Ngiyababonga abalandeli bePirates. Ukuthi let's try to force sizofika stadium siwathole amathikiti singene sibukele iPirates isupport. Bese ngibuye futhi ngithi kunama branch abesuka ku 9 provinces. Kune branch yase Eastern Cape, umdantsane branch olahlekelwe ibhena yawo. Ngicela usizo lama fans wethu. Loyo uzobona ibranch around Gauteng ebhalwe umdantsane branch. Ngicela nzeni ipost kuma fans wethu bafowethu loyo branch abalandeli bebesuka all the way from Eastern Cape ukuzokweseka iOrlando Pirates Football Club. Hayi ukuthi balahlekelwe ibhena yabo. Ibhena isho a meaning a lot kuthina ama branch weOrlando Pirates Football Club. Bese ngibuye ngizela kuThibusi. Kumele basibiza ama man of the match. Mfowethu ngiyobe angisiyena umlandeli oneqiniso. Uma ngingangasho ukuthi uApollos uye wayifela iOrlando Pirates Football Club. uApollos namhlanje the way engimrite ngakhona uApollos namhlanje udlale all position. uApollos ubeza la kuma defenders olanda ibhola abe umidfield abe striker bathena babafana befuna ukushona down. uApollos wasala eyedwa imele iqiniso wayi regroupa iteam yakhe yazi yabuya yacombine even nala equalizing goal bakusuka kona uApollos ezaba all means all out ukuthi abuyisele iteam grounding. Thank you Apollos with your patience and all the time. uApollos mayidlala ibhola wenza sure ukuthi ibhola without score it's not nice. Kumele sithole amagoli ukuze abalandeli bejabule nabo baphume. Into esayenza uApollos since efikile kuOrlando Pirates Football Club uphusha phambili. Ngifuna ukuthi ke iyo yonke team kusukela ku management Dr. Ivan Khoza umqeqeshi wethu abalandeli unity is a power. Yes ama mistake namhlanje ukuthi iSundowns sithi sithole lo 1 point ngoba ke 1 point uthi ngokwe league away from home usekuashivile but masifuna ileague kumele umuntu mayisalahlile simpanish but let's hope ukuthi ngoba sithi one step at a time. Njengamanje kune game kumele be during the week kube ne game kumele kube yicalling knockout. Kule calling knockout engiyifunayo kumele sifikile ku final running or not. Ngifuna ukuthi kunemabhakaniya I love you all for free. Mafez wethu ama viewers wethu bafowethu abakhuphuka nisiphi support siyanthanda bafowethu mala for free. Once a pirate always a pirate. Wena Sundowns uzoze esigodini ngeke sincineke thina iPirates ayincenge kwancenge kwaunyoka. Kwaunyoka wena.